India is growing as a nation, and there are a lot of developments which are taking place in all the sectors. You name any sector, whether it's automobile sector, steel industry, or here we are there in the mining sector. Mining is a big business as far as India is concerned. So it is all the important. Along with development comes the responsibility of supplying the right type of PPEs or the personal protective equipments, which are actually industry specific, segment specific, and also hazard specific. So we are moving towards that method, towards that way, so that we can give a solution for every hazard being faced, or the pain areas which are being faced by the customers, whether it is in the government sector or in the corporate sector. See, the biggest challenges are the getting the right type of quality as far as the raw materials are concerned, whether it is the PU for making safety shoes, the yarns for making the gloves. These are some of the major challenges which we face while making the PPEs, while converting the PPEs. And one of the major challenges we face is the fake products is the biggest challenge, because Mallcom is a established brand as far as the PPE industry is concerned. So along with the goodwill comes the threat of fake products being moving around in the market. But we are trying at our level, on a legal point of view, to address this issue on a large scale, so that the customers get genuine products at a genuine price. The primary guidelines are being, documented as far as the norms are concerned, whether by the government of India, particularly the BIS standard or the ISI standard, whether it's the safety helmet or the safety shoes or the safety gloves, whatever the PPE is being used, it is very essential today. The end user opts for the certified product. That is very important. Uncertified products they may be cheaper as compared to the certified products, but may be harmful as far as the user is concerned. So following the government guidelines is very, very essential, and putting them in place is a responsibility of major OEMs like Mallcom to make the customer understand to use such certified products. See, we have a dedicated quality control QC team. All are placed in the respective production units, and to get the consistent quality as far as leather is concerned, we have actually taken over own tannery, not one tannery, a number of tanneries, so that we get consistent leather for making our gloves, our safety shoes. Then also plus the in-house testing lab facilities. That is very important. We need to have those testings done in the lab itself, so that when you are putting those products in the market, we are absolutely sure that the products meet the BIS or the EN standards. As I already mentioned, that the R&D teams are in place in the respective units, production units, where the QC team is continuously working on the development of the PPEs, particularly safety shoes, safety hand gloves, safety helmets, and they are consistently in touch with the third-party certifying agencies. Even if you don't have those certification process or the thing, we have to send it to the third-party labs to get it certified. But we ensure that whatever products are being sent to the market are all certified, as whether in the EM norms or in the BIS norm. That is very, very important from our point of view. International Mining and Minerals Exposition Expo has given us the opportunity to meet a lot of end users who by default are major customers, and we are very confident that we will get new customers during the 4-day show. So that is the biggest gain as far as Mallcom is concerned by participating in this IMME 2022. Thanks.